Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Nissan 370Z. You can, if it's not on the screen already, if you're just driving along and you're kind of not in a hurry to go and you know where you're going, but you just want to be reminded and know whether there's any bends up ahead, you can have it on the map like so. There's route there and there's destination. So click onto destination, new address. Now you can either use your fingers, touch screen, or here, just use these direction buttons here. So onto postcode, click postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5. Sometimes you need a space. If there's only 2 digits, we'll just try it. PR54 JS, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR54 JS, and then you've got list here. Now click list, and it's brought up Chorley Road, and that's okay for me, so it's defaulted to okay. Click OK.
Starting route guidance to your destination.
That's it, that's how you do it. I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the audio system in this Nissan 370Z. So from any screen, onto settings. You've got navigation, audio and Bluetooth down there. So we'd go down to Bluetooth, click select. Then we need paired device list. So down to paired device list, click OK or enter here. Hands-free, click enter. You've got Barry's iPhone, that's the one I want to delete. There's no other ones in, but if there was, you just navigate to the one you want to delete. So click enter on there. On the right hand side, you've got connect, preferences and delete. We want to go to delete, click delete. Barry's iPhone is already on the list. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. And it's saying there, Barry's iPhone deleted. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan 370Z. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then click it down here to the bottom. That's one of my cameras. In fact, that's this camera that you're looking through there. Then we want to go to settings. You've got navigation, audio, Bluetooth. Click Bluetooth. Pair a Bluetooth device. There's nothing in, so it's already gone to. It's defaulted to pair Bluetooth device. Is the Bluetooth device you are trying to pair a mobile phone? If it is an audio device, please select no. So it is a mobile phone, click yes. Using your handset, look for Bluetooth device called My Car. There it's come up, usually comes up hands-free first, but it's come up My Car. Then we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, pair, and that's it. Barry's iPhone connected there, showing connected already. No, that's your phone connected to the Bluetooth audio system. This system will also play or also stream audio, but if you go, I don't know why, but if you go to your iTunes there, you'll see phone, but there's no sign of the car. In order to get it to play through the car, you have to go to disc here, and it says, well, it's disc auxiliary, and sometimes you have to scroll through auxiliary CD and so on. In fact, I'll just do it. There you go. Just there's no disc, music box, Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio has not been selected. So into settings, down to Bluetooth, and then you go to paired device list. Click on that, and you've got hands-free and audio it's showing. So onto audio, click, highlight the phone you want, which in this case is the only one on it, mine, so Barry's iPhone. Select, click select, and it's still not showing up. You'll sit here for ages and nothing happens. I'll just go back to disc and auxiliary, and it says connecting with Barry's iPhone. Nothing happens, but switch the radio off, switch the car off, switch it back on again, switch the radio on, and it's showing My Car with the tick next to it. Then I'll just take it to connecting with Barry's iPhone. It's connected already. If we go back to Taylor Swift here, just turn that down, turn it up on here. And quickly, I'll just give you a quick blast of Taylor. And which I forgot to mention in the video before, it's Bose speakers. So the sound system in here is awesome. That's it, that's how you do it.